Welcome for today's episode. This is Privacy News. We will dive into the latest and the most important stories in the world of technology, security, and privacy. In our age where our lives are increasingly digital, the concept of privacy has never been more crucial or more under threat. From data breaches to surveillance concern, privacy issues are making headlines every day, affecting individuals, business, even though the governments. So today, we're going to explore some of the most precise privacy news, breaking down what it means for you, and how you can protect yourself in this ever evolving digital landscape. Whenever you're worried about your personal information being exposed or curious about the latest regulation and tech developments, we got you covered. So sit back, stay tuned, and let's get started. So for today's episode, sa tingin ko lahat tayo ito is makaka-relate. Parang halos lahat kasi tayo is meron netong application na to. So without further ado, so let's start na natin to. So, ano nga ba yung application natin for today? GCash. Uh, GCash is a mobile wallet here na Philippines. Sikat na sikat kasi halos lahat ng tao dito sa Pilipinas merong GCash. So, ano nga bang ano nito sa GCash? Meron. So, GCash over privacy concerns, so particularly regarding data security and potential misuse of personal information. So yung mga user ay may mga nireport na ng mga issues na alam kong baka isa na rin kayo dito sa mga nag-report. So data breaches, phishing scams, unauthorized transaction, and last one but not the least, sharing data with the third party. So dahil sa mga issue na to, sa mga na-report sa GCash, nag-imbita ako ng mga tao sa loob ng GCash para matulungan tayo, kumbaga, ng ganun. So papakilala ko na sila sa inyo mamaya. Silang ating special guest. So pakilala na natin yung mga guests. Una si Miss Princess, pangalawa si Mr. Mark Angelo Bangkal, pangatlo is si Miss Rachel, and the last not but not least si Miss Flor Delisa. So syempre dahil nandito sila, may mga itatanong ako sa kanila para siguro ano yung mga may isa-suggest nila sa atin, mga ganun. So Miss Rachel, can you answer this? What data is collected by GCash company?
Discuss what data is collected by the GCash. GCash gathers personal information including full names, contact details, and government-issued IDs for identity verification. This data is crucial for preventing fraud and complying with anti-money laundering regulations. The service also tracks transaction history, including amounts, recipients, and dates to monitor and safeguard financial activities. In addition to transactional data, GCash collects device information and usage patterns to improve app performance and personalize user experience. This may include data on device type, operating system, and app interactions. While the company asserts that this data is used to enhance security and offer tailored services, privacy advocates urge users to be cautious and review data privacy policy to understand how their information is handled. And that's all. Thank you for having me and for the opportunity to discuss this topic.
Thank you for answering, Miss Rachel Regala. So next question is for Mr. Bangkal. What data can be used for?
Thank you for that, Mr. Moisan. So, in GCash private policy, your data is typically used for a variety of purposes related to providing and improving our services. So, your personal information is essential for GCash. to effectively operate and manage its services. So these include processing transactions such as payment, transfer, and bill payments. So we need your data to verify your identity, ensure your accurate transaction processing, and maintain your account. So additionally, this data is used to resolve any issues or disputes related to transaction or account management. And we use your data for security and fraud prevention. So we protect your financial data, and that's our top priority. And Gcash uses your data to monitor and detect usual or unusual suspicious activity that could indicate fraudulent behavior. So this involves analyzing transaction patterns and implementing security measures to safeguard your account against unauthorized access or misuse. So it's important to review Gcash privacy policy periodically to inform about your data is managed and how any updates to their practices. So if you have any specific concern or question about their data usage, contact our customer support or data protection office. So that's it. Thank you.
So, thank you for your answer, Mr. Bangkal. No? So, next question is for Miss Princess. So, who they share your data with?
So in Gcash privacy policy, they share your data with third parties such as service providers who help them operate their services, and financial institution for transaction, and law enforcement or regulators if required by law to ensure smooth functioning and compliance with legal obligations. So now I will share you some examples about what Gcash shares your data with several types of entities to facilitate its services. So first one is the payment processors. These companies handle transactions, so they need access to payment details to process your payment securely. So number two is customer support providers. This may access your data to assist with issues or inquiries you have about the services. So third is financial institutions. Banks or other financial entities involved in transferring or managing funds need your data to complete transactions. So fourth is regulatory bodies. If required by law, Gcash might share your data with legal authorities or regulators for compliance or investigation purpose. So, and the lastly is five, technical partners. So, companies that help maintain and improve the app's technology might access data to ensure everything works correctly and securely. So each of these third parties is usually bound by agreements to protect your data and use it only for the intended purpose.
So, thank you for your answer, Miss Princess. So, for the last question is for Miss Flor de Liza. What those third parties can be use your data?
When you use Gcash, your data may be shared with various third parties for different purposes depending on the services you use and the permissions you grant. First, service providers like payment, processor, and cloud storage companies may access your data to ensure that Gcash services run smoothly. This includes processing your transaction, securely storing information, and providing customer support when you need it. Second, Gcash might share your data with advertisers and marketing companies to deliver personalized promotion and ads. These targeted offers are based on your spending patterns, location, or other personal details, making your experience more relevant to your needs. Third, your data might be shared with security firms and fraud prevention services. These third parties monitor your transactions for any unusual activity, helping to protect your account from fraud and unauthorized access. In some cases, Gcash may be required to share your data with law enforcement or regulatory bodies. This happens when there's a legal obligation, such as during investigation, or to comply with regulation like anti-money laundering law. Additionally, anonymized or aggregated data might be shared with researchers and analysts. This data help Gcash and its partner understand user behavior, improve services, and innovate for the future. Take note, it's always a good idea to review Gcash privacy policy to fully understand how your data is managed and protected.
So, thank you sa mga sumagot, no? Thank you for your answer, no? Thank you sa mga guests natin na sumagot ng mga katanungan natin. So, syempre, kailangan natin magbigay ng parang insight, no? For ano ba yung naobserbahan natin? And what are the rooms for improvement that you can suggest, that I can suggest in their privacy policies? So, Gcash is facing privacy and security concerns, including data breaches, phishing scams, and unauthorized transaction. To address these issues, Gcash could implement stronger data encryption, enhance transparency in data sharing, and introduce anti-phishing measures, improving user consent mechanism, conducting regularly security audits, and establishing a robust incident response plan are also recommended. Gcash should focus on educating users about security practices to prevent scams and build trust. These improvements would help strengthen Gcash privacy policies and overall security. So, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana may natutunan kayo guys. So, see you on next episode of Privacy News.